Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to open the menu, and to do that press the upper button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and look for the watch face option, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the list of watch faces. By default you will have only one, the default one, but we can tap on add new, and here we have some templates we can choose. So find the template you like, and then once you find it and select it, you can press the upper button or tap on it, and it will be added basically to the list of watch faces. As you can see, now we have two of them, and then you can tap on it to select it, and it will be applied on the watch. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So if you select the watch face in the menu right here, I believe you can swipe left to open this menu, and here we can change the data, accent color, data color, and we can also remove the watch face. So let's tap on data, and here we can change the type of data being displayed on the watch face. So you can select the pull and then swipe up and down to scroll through the list, and then you can swipe or press the upper button, I guess. Yeah, press the upper button to confirm. Let's change something else. Accent color, then press the upper button, then we have data color, press the upper button, and we won't remove it, we want to apply our changes, so we can tap on apply, and the changes will be applied. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.